Welcome to Exodus Safaris, where we take you on an unforgettable journey through the heart of nature's marvels. Today, join us as we explore the breathtaking landscapes and magnificent wildlife of Addo Elephant National Park. Located in the Eastern Cape of South Africa, Addo Elephant National Park is a sanctuary for a variety of wildlife, but it's renowned for its thriving elephant population. Spanning over 180,000 hectares, this park offers visitors a chance to witness Africa's iconic creatures in their natural habitat. Before embarking on our safari adventure, our knowledgeable guides ensure that all guests are equipped with everything they need for a comfortable and safe journey. From sunscreen to binoculars, we've got you covered. As we venture into the heart of Addo Elephant National Park, keep your eyes peeled for the majestic giants that roam these plains. Our experienced guides will navigate us through the park, offering insights into the behaviors and habitats of the animals we encounter. From herds of elephants leisurely grazing to lions basking in the sun, every moment on our safari is filled with awe-inspiring encounters. Witness the harmony of nature as various species coexist in their natural environment. Addo Elephant National Park is not only a haven for wildlife, but also a stronghold for conservation efforts. Learn about the park's initiatives in protecting endangered species and preserving the delicate balance of the ecosystem. As the day draws to a close, we find ourselves in the midst of a breathtaking African sunset. With a sundowner in hand, take a moment to appreciate the serenity and beauty of the wilderness. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey through Addo Elephant National Park. From thrilling wildlife sightings to serene moments in nature, our safari experience with Exodus Safaris promises memories that will last a lifetime. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures in the wild, and until next time, happy exploring.